how to remove keep shopping for on Amazon. Hi everyone, in this video you would learn how you can remove keep shopping for on Amazon. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the Amazon's home page. On this page, the next step or the next thing to do is to move to the top part of the screen. At the top part of the screen, you can see several options. You can see your Amazon logo, you can see delivery, search box, you can see some headings such as all today's deals, gift cards, buy again, um, Amazon account, sale, customer service, browsing history, registry. So the next step is to click on the browsing history. After clicking on the browsing history, you will go to the browsing histories page. And each of these in the browsing history are products that you can keep shopping for. So if you want to remove keep shopping for on Amazon, all you need to do is to each of these products is to click on remove from view for each of them, one after the other. All right, for each of the products that you no longer want to ship for. So once you click on remove from view, all of these products will be removed such that by the time you go back to your actual account and then you go back to your browsing history, you would no longer see them in there because they've all been removed. That's how it works. This is how you can remove keep shopping for on Amazon. Thank you and have a nice day.